And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. These are the kindest thing I know. And then जो trees होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, मून होता है वो क्या करता है, स्काई में क्या करता है, फ्लोट करता है, मीन कि तैरने लग पड़ता है. दे हम अ ड्रोजी ललीबाई. ललीबाई मीन्स जो लोरी होती है, लोरी सुनाना. ओके, जो वो क्या होता है, दे हम अ ड्रोजी ललीबाई. स्ट्रेट. दे हम अ ड्रोजी ललीबाई. ललीबाई मीन्स लोरी सुनाना, और ड्रोजी मीन स्लीपी. ड्रोजी मीन स्लीपी. दे हम, जब वो नींद में होते हैं तो ट्रीज क्या करते हैं, ऑफ स्लीपी चिल्ड्रन लॉन्ग अगो, जो उनके जो स्मॉल ट्रीज होते हैं उनको लोरी सुनाते हैं जब वो किसमें होते हैं, नींद में होते हैं. एंड देन ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग आई नो. और लास्ट में कि जो ट्रीज होते हैं वो सच में काइंडेस्ट थिंग होते हैं, ये मैं जानता हूँ. यस समृद्धि.
मेरा 30 पेज और 31 पेज कंप्लीट है.
ओके समृद्धि, कहाँ से कंप्लीट किया आपने? Okay, students. This is our poem. Trees. All students understood in this poem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Students, if you are not understood, then I will explain it again. Okay. Okay, tomorrow we will start practice on one. Answer this question, okay? And Niharika, tell me, Niharika. Tell me, Niharika.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of was? Yes, Niharika. Very good. What is the meaning of was? Yes, Niharika, sorry.
Curved branches.
Curved branches, curved. Okay, curved branches. Okay, Niharika.
Curved branches.
Akshit 2336. Akshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshit, what is the meaning of beam? Yes, Akshit.
Rays of
What is
light.
the mean? Rays of light. Okay, Akshit. Gunjan.
Yes, ma'am.
Gunjan, what is the meaning of shade?
Cover from sun.
Cover from sun. Yes, Gunjan. Varun Bhatia. Yes, Varun Bhatia.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of hum? Hum. Yes, Varun. Sit properly, Varun. Sit properly, Varun. Yes.
A long
And
sound.
tell me what is the meaning of hum? Sorry, Varun. What is the meaning of hum?
A low sound.
A low sound. A low sound. Okay. Mute your mic, Varun. Yes, tell me, Shaurya. Shaurya, what is the meaning of drowsy?
Sleepy.
Yes, very good, Shaurya. Sleepy. Shivansh Mehta. Shivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivansh, what is the meaning of shade? Yes, Shivansh. What is the meaning of shade?
Cover from sun.
Yes, cover from sun. Shikha.
Yes, ma'am.
Shikha, what is the meaning of drowsy? Drowsy.
Sleepy.
Yes, sleepy. Divyanshi 2386. Divyanshi. Divyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the meaning of was?
Curved branches.
Curved branches. Divyanshi, curved branches. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi, what is the meaning of beam?
Wings.
Beams. Yes, Vaishnavi, beam.
Say of light.
Rays of light. Rays. Okay, Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Saksham 2423 Saksham. Saksham 2423.
Yes, ma'am.
Saksham,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the meaning of shade?
Cover from sun.
Yes, cover from sun. Samriddhi Rana.
Yes, ma'am.
Samriddhi, what is the meaning of drowsy? Yes, Samriddhi, what is the meaning
मैम
of
फिर से बोलो.
Samriddhi? What is the meaning of drowsy?
Sleepy.
Yes, sleepy. Rahi, Rahi, tell me what is the meaning of hum?
Hum.
Hum, a loud sound.
A low sound. Yes, Rahi. Tanisha, Tanisha,
Yes, ma'am.
Tanisha, what is the meaning of shade?
Cover from sun.
Cover from sun, cover. Okay. Swakartik, Swakartik 2507. Swakartik, what is the meaning of beams? Swakartik, tell me what is the meaning of beam?
Rays of light.
Rays of light. Yes.
Ma'am.
Aradhya,
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, what is the meaning of hum?
A low sound.
Yes, Aradhya, a low sound. Yes. Ritika, sit properly, Ritika. Yes, Ritika, tell me what is the meaning of drowsy?
Sleep.
Sleepy. Okay, Ritika, sleepy. Ketul,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute your mic, Ketul. Unmute your mic, Ketul. Ketul,
आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
yes, Ketul, tell me what is the meaning of shade?
Shade.
Cover from sun.
Yes, cover from sun. Yes. Kartiki,
Yes, ma'am.
Kartiki, what is the meaning of ghost? Yes, Kartiki, what is the meaning of ghost?
Curved branches.
Curved branches. Yes, Kartiki. Tanishika. Tanishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanishika, what is the meaning of hum?
Hello sound.
A low sound. Yes. Manasri, registration number 3042.
उसकी और से बच्चे मैडम.
Manasri, what is the meaning of wall?
Cover of branches.
Curved branches. Curved branches. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Abhay. Abhay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of shade?
Cover from sun.
Yes, Abhay. Cover from sun. Abhay, tell me what is the meaning of drowsy? Abhay, tell
Sleeping.
me what is sleepy. Okay, sleepy.
Yes, ma'am.
Hazel.
Yes,
Hazel,
ma'am.
what is
Yes,
the meaning
ma'am.
of shade?
Cover from sun.
Yes, cover from sun. Tanish, Tanish 2328.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanish, what is the meaning of hum?
A low sound.
Yes, a low sound. Arav, Arav, what is the meaning of was?
Cover from this.
Branches.
Banana.
Yes, Arav. Yes,
Covered.
Cover branches.
curve branches, curve. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 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 yes. Saksham 2323 Saksham.
Yes, ma'am.
Saksham, what is the meaning of shade?
Shade.
Cover from sun.
Yes, Saksham, cover from sun. Pranika,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the meaning of winds?
Winds.
Yes,
Rays of light.
yes, rays of light. Anshika Mehta, Anshika Mehta,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the meaning of drowsy, Anshika? What is the meaning of drowsy? Yes, Anshika, tell me what is the meaning of drowsy? Anshika, tell me what is the meaning of drowsy? Yes, Anshika.
Ma'am, Rosie.
What is the meaning of drowsy, Anshika? Drowsy का क्या मतलब है? मीन है, अर्थ क्या है उसका? Yes, Anshika. Anshika, tell me what is the meaning of drowsy?
Sleepy.
Yes, sleepy. Anshika, what is the meaning of drowsy? Sleepy.
Yes, ma'am.
Repeat करो आप भी. What is the meaning of drowsy? Tell me, Anshika. What is the meaning of drowsy?
Excuse me, ma'am, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Anshika, what is the meaning of drowsy? Anshika.
मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Anshika.
मैम, मेरी बारी भी नहीं आई है.
Anshul Kapoor. Anshika, what is the meaning of drowsy?
नहीं आई है. Sleeping.
Anshika. Okay, next, Anshul Kapoor.
Yes, ma'am.
Anshul, what is the meaning of drowsy?
Sleepy.
Yes, sleepy. Vanshika.
Yes,
Vanshika.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vanshika, what is the meaning of hum? Hum. Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am, a low sound.
Yes, a low sound. Okay. Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am.
sit properly, Ashwath. 2957. Ashwath, tell me what is the meaning of shade?
Ma'am, cover from sun.
Yes, cover from sun. Kashri. Kashri. Kashri, tell me what is the meaning of walls? Kashri. Angel. Angel.
Yes, ma'am.
Angel, what is the meaning of walls?
मैम कौन सा बोल रहे हो आप?
What is the meaning of walls?
Branches.
Curved branches. Okay, Niharika.
Yes,
Niharika, what is the meaning of shades? Ashwath, sit properly. Ashwath.
cover from sun.
Yes, cover from sun. Okay, Ridhit Kondal. Ridhit. Ridhit Kondal. Ridhit Kondal. Yes, tell me, Manya. 2436, Manya. Manya, what is the meaning of wind? Manya, what is the meaning of wind? Priyanshu. Priyanshu.
Ma'am,
Priyanshu, tell me what is the meaning of wind?
rise of light.
Priyanshu, rays of light. Rays.
Rays of light.
Yes, rays
Light.
of light. Yes. Suhani.
Yes, ma'am.
Suhani, what is the meaning of walls?
Covered branches.
Curved branches. Yes. Abhay. Abhay, what is the meaning of shades?
Cover from sun.
Yes, cover from sun. Samriddhi. 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 Samriddhi Spaya. Samriddhi. Samriddhi Spaya. Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Samriddhi, what is the meaning of drowsy?
Sleepy.
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 No, Samriddhi, sleepy. Okay, Samriddhi.
Yes,
Samriddhi,
ma'am.
what is the meaning of drowsy? Tell me, Samriddhi Spaya, what is the meaning of drowsy? Yes, Samriddhi. Arpit. Arpit 2377. Arpit.
Yes, ma'am.
what is the meaning of beam?
Rays of light.
Yes, rays of light. Divyanshi 2386. Divyanshi 2386. Divyanshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Divyanshi, what is the meaning of was? Was, Divyanshi, was.
Covered. Covered the
Yes,
branches.
Divyanshi. Curved branches, yes. Kashi, 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 what is the meaning of hum?
Low sound.
Yes, a low sound. Rehan,
Yes, ma'am.
Rehan, open your page number 29. Open your page number 29
Yes, ma'am.
and read out paragraph number 1.
Trees are the kindest.
Kindest. Kindest.
I
Yes,
know.
Rehan. Yes, Rehan. Trees are the kindest.
They
यहाँ से पढ़ो यहाँ से
things I know.
रेहान, जो वर्ड आपको बोलना नहीं आता उसकी स्पेलिंग बोलो, फिर बोलो उसको, ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start now. Trees are.
Trees are the kindest
Yes.
things I know. They
Yes.
do not harm.
Spelling.
Harm.
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 Yes.
पढ़ो यहाँ से
They
Next. Yes.
simply
Yes.
grow
Yes. Simply grow. Yes.
यहाँ से पढ़ो
and
Yes.
spread
Spelling. Spelling बोलो रेहान.
spread.
Spread. Yes.
Shade or
Shade.
from
F-O-R.
for
Yes.
cause and
Sleepy cow.
sleepy cow and
Yes.
gather birds
What?
among
Among
boughs.
their.
Bow,
Yes, Rehan. Among their. Was.
bows.
Was.
Was.
Yes. What is the meaning of was, Rehan?
मीनिंग बताओ बॉस का
Curved branches.
Yes. Curved branches. Okay, Rehan. Next. Scissor.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.